I guess not everybody likes to be filmed. Oh dear, looks like somebody's lost a shoe. As you can see, the diet's going well. Good morning. Had a quite a peaceful night last night. Bit of tossing and turning with the back, which is still playing me up, but not too bad. We're just off into the town of Sully-sur-Loire, and then this afternoon we might even go to the festival, so I'll show you around. Looks like another busy day at the car park down there. So France is obviously big on its hunting, so all the dogs are out today and doing a demonstration. Having a competition, I think, on trumpet playing. There he goes, look, next one. That's him done. That's the next one up.
They're just in it.
Yeah, the judges are in the tent, I think. I've never seen so many trumpeteers in the same place. Round two. They must all go perhaps through to the grand final. They're all lined up. They're about to start. Clarity of tone, I think. Here we go. One on the right starts. He has to look away. He doesn't face the judge. Have you noticed? It's because the horn has to. The music goes to the judges, I think. He's on the right there. I can't see him just beyond the tree. Here he is. There. Got the horn facing the judges. And while all this goes on, there's another competition down the far end. I don't know if they're different horns, they all look the same size horns. It's obviously a nervous wait for some. And the youngest player. Had his head. Moment of glory. I think lung capacity is key, so it must be a real challenge for him. Bless him. He got a round of applause. Plenty of practice down there. Well, I guess you never know what you're going to see. Fantastic. Bit of French life, I guess. Oh dear, looks like somebody's lost a shoe. Trying a bit of fishing wire. Go, go, go! Hey!
On the windows?
Yeah, no, well above that,
Oh, yeah.
the guttering. From my research, I just find that the building was always a cafe before it became a restaurant. But it has some ornate stone carvings for sure. We had a good walk around the central town. I think I'll have a mille-feuille, yeah? And you're going to have a macaroon. As you can see, the diet's going well. As we always say in our family, we'll start Monday. Yeah, I have to say it's quite a nice little town. It's quite sprawling actually. A lot of boulangeries, a lot of independent shops I'd say. But looks like it's vibrant on a Saturday anyway. So we've just bought some fruit, which we're finding really expensive, strawberries and blueberries. Went into actually a fruit and veg place, and they came to 14 euros. So that seemed really expensive to be honest. So if there's any tips on getting fruit and the fruit more, the fruits, strawberries, the raspberries, blueberries, let us know. So we've come to a place to sort the shock out. Looks like you can take up a hobby. Take up trumpeting. Looks like that was the champion of France in 2025. It's sort of a country fair, agricultural fair, I guess, as we would know it. There's probably about 150 stalls, I'd reckon, here, all set up. It's obviously a big thing in France. It's obviously take a lot of organisation with all the tents. Not quite sure if they're for sale or whether they're just here to for the kids and that. This is a mixed pen. Goats, geese, turkeys. Now he definitely has the star factor. Oh, definitely for sale. 10 euros. I guess not everybody likes to be filmed. Clog making machine. He's a champion 2025. They're obviously selling the dogs based on show dogs. They've all got prizes and rosettes and things like that. So I guess it's a place where they can sell on breeding dogs, I guess. They look exhausted. I have to say they all look really healthy and they're all waiting for their time to be let out and shown off in the showground. There's lots of eating areas and entertainment laid on for everybody. So yeah, we're just heading back. The rain's held off all day and it's just started to come down a bit. So we're just heading back to Harry. It's quite an interesting fair really. I'm not quite sure whether the main premise is that it's a hunting horn blowing competition and there's other things around it, or whether it's a country fair effectively. That then has some competitions. I don't know which way around it is. Obviously all the animals there, you know, some may not like, but actually I think they're all well kept. And they're obviously showing them off because a lot of them got rosettes, competition rosettes that they're showing off. And obviously I guess you can buy the stock or buy breeding animals for yourself in particular for hunting or that type of dog, and I'm sure a lot of the dog breeders will be selling animals and contact details on, but you can also buy, you know, hens and that type of thing if you want. So that is Sully-sur-Loire. Quite like it. It's our first destination on the Loire Valley. We're staying here tonight. I think we'll probably move on tomorrow to another town, but we'll make a decision in the morning. So we're just going to head back to the van to relax for the rest of the day, really. So if you like my videos and you enjoy watching them, please give me that like, and if you haven't subscribed already, do so. It's free. It just means that we're in your favourites on YouTube. I'm also on social media, and if you want to support me further, I do have a Buy Me a Coffee page